Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android meets minimum specs and installing Roblox from Google Play. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, sign in so your game data syncs. If you plan to sideload or use PC tools, enable developer options and USB debugging now so transfers work smoothly. Make sure your Google account is active and storage has at least 500 MB free. This prevents install failures. These steps get you into the app fast and prepare your device for the next actions. Next, you adjust Roblox settings to match your device so things run smoothly, lower graphics and disable background apps to reduce lag. Once configured, double-check account linkage, confirm email, enable two-factor authentication for security, and set privacy controls based on who you want to interact with. Then load a simple game to test avatar appearance, inventory access, and control responsiveness. If controls feel off, calibrate touch sensitivity or try a different input method. These checks ensure a playable, secure Android Roblox setup. Finish by ensuring both Roblox and your Android OS are updated so you benefit from bug fixes and compatibility patches. If you encounter crashes or login errors, clear the app cache first and restart the device. This often resolves temporary issues. If problems persist, back up any important data with cloud saves, then reinstall Roblox to reset corrupted files. One key troubleshooting tip: if reinstalling, enable USB debugging and check storage permissions. Missing permissions commonly block asset downloads and cause failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.